Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start 6th chapter, mode. Okay, we have done mean and median. So today we are going to do mode. Okay, let's start. What is mode? The score repeating maximum. Okay, what is mode? The score which is repeating maximum. Now you know what is the meaning of maximum. Correct? Number of times in a data. Means the score which is repeating maximum times or maximum number of times in a data is called as a mode of that data. Is it clear? The score repeating maximum number of times in a data is called as a mode of that data. So when the score repeating maximum time, that is the mode. Okay. Now we will see what is the formula we are going to use in mode. Okay. Mode is equal to L plus in the bracket F1 minus F0. F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So you should know what is L, correct? What is that? So in the above formula, we are going to see L is the lower class limit of the model class. Okay. Can you hear me properly? Okay, good. L is the lower class limit of the model class. Okay. Now F1. So F1 is the frequency of the model class. F1 is the frequency of the model class. F0. F0 frequency of the class preceding the model class. Preceding means before the model class. Frequency before the model class. Okay. So preceding of the model class. F2. Okay. F2 is what? Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Succeeding means after the model class. The frequency which will come. That is the F2. Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Is it clear? Now, H. Class interval of the model class. Means class width. Class interval of the model class. Is it clear? Now let's see what is the model class. Okay. What is the model class? Now the question arises. We have seen lower limit of the model class, frequency of the model class, frequency preceding the model class, frequency succeeding the model class, and the class interval of the model class. So we should know what is the model class. Correct? We should know what is the model class. So we will learn the model class by seeing an example. So you understand better. Okay? Okay, let's see one example. Okay. Let's see one example we will see, and then questions on that time also I will explain what is the model class. Now suppose here one question is example is there. The following frequency distribution table shows the classification of the number of vehicles and the volume of petrol filled in them. Find the mode of the volume. Okay. So this is the question. Petrol filled in liter 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15. And number of vehicles 33, 48, 27, 18, and 12. This is the frequency. Okay. Now, can you tell me which is the maximum number of frequency here? Okay. Now, one thing you have noted here, the class is not in continuous. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After 3, 4 comes. 4 to 6. After 6, 7 comes. So 7 to 9. After 9, 10, 10 to 12. So the class is not continuous. To make the class continuous, if the class is not continuous, we have to make the class continuous and rewrite the table again. Okay? Yes, we have to make the class continuous. Okay? So the given class are not in continuous. So let us make them continuous and rewrite the table again. Okay? Okay, Neha? Okay, let's start. So you know how to make the class continuous, correct? Yes or no? Okay. So here difference between the lower limit and preceding the lower limit is 1. Here the difference between the upper limit and lower limit is 1. Correct? Now example here in the class 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is there. So 4 minus 3 is what? 1. Correct? Difference is 1. So what happens when we subtract this 1? Okay. When we subtract this 4 minus 3, we get 1. Now what we have to do? 1 is divided into 2 equal parts. Correct? 0.5. Correct, Sanskriti. 0.5. So this 0.5 we have to subtract from the lower limit and add in the upper limit. Okay? So we will get a continuous class. Is it clear? So what is the first class? That is, if 1 is subtracted, if 1 minus 0.5, what will remain? 0.5. And when 3 in 3.5 is added, what will it will become? 3.5. Means our class becomes 0.5 to 3.5. Correct? To 3.5. Okay? 0.5 to 3.5. Now, second, 4 to 6. When we subtract 0.5 from 4 and add 0.5 in 6, we get 3.5, 6.5. Then continue. 6.5 to 9.5. 9.5 to 12.5. 12.5 to 15.5. Okay. So the continuous class is, you can see now, the continuous class is 0.5 to 3.5. Correct? Na? So in this way, we get the continuous class. And we know the frequency. Correct? The frequency is given here 33, 40, 27, 18, 12. Okay? 30, 40, 27, 18, 12. Frequency is given. So we have to see here which one is the maximum frequency. Which is the maximum frequency here? Yes. Right fast. Other student also. Maximum frequency, maximum. Highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency present in this table? Other students. Highest frequency. See in the frequency table. Right fast. See in the frequency table. Which number is the highest? So I got only 8 to 10 students answer. So let's see. So we can see here 33, 40, 27, 18 and 12 are the frequency. So here maximum frequency means highest frequency is 40. Okay. Highest frequency 40. Can you tell me which will be the model class now? Model class will be present in the maximum frequency row. In the maximum frequency row. That is 3.5 to 6.5. 3.5 to 6.5. So 3.5 to 6.5 is the model class. Everyone understood up to here? Neha Sanskriti replying. Okay, so now we know how to take the model class. Okay, means first of all we have to select the maximum frequency. In that maximum frequency we will get the, in that maximum frequency row we will get the model class. Is it clear? In maximum frequency, where the maximum frequency will be present, in that row we will get model class. Is it clear? Sure. Okay. Now we have to see L. So now you know what is L. Yes or no? Maximum frequency is 40, which comes under 3.5 to 6.5 class. The model class is 3.5, 6.5. So L is 3.5. L is the lower limit. Is it clear? L is what? Lower limit. L is what? Lower limit. So lower limit is what? 3.5. Is it clear? Now we have to see F1. What we have to see? F1. Can you tell me what is F1? Yes, very good. F1. Can you tell me what is F0? Very good. F2. Yes. H. 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 Yes. Sanskriti. So let's see what is L. Okay. Now in the frequency table, we are going to see what is L, what is F1, F0, F2, H. Okay. You can see here the maximum frequency, is F1. The maximum frequency is F1, and the number above the maximum frequency is F0. So F0 is what? 33. F0 is what? 33. And F2 is what? 27, succeeding the maximum frequency. Correct? So F2 is 27, F0 is 33. Is it clear? Anyone have any doubt? Okay. Clear the concept? And you have to how to find the width that you know. Correct? upper limit minus lower limit, you will get the h. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we know L, we know F1, we know F0, we know F2, we know H. Now we are going to substitute this value in the formula. Is it clear? We are going to substitute this value in the formula. So you remember the formula? What is the formula of mode? Yes, very good. L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, correct? Now we are going to substitute the value in this formula. So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Is it clear? Okay, Diksha, Bhumi, no doubt, sure. Okay, good. So we are going to substitute this value in this formula. So we will get mode is equal to 3.5 plus 40 minus 33. We know F1 is 40, F0 is 33. So 40 minus 33 upon 2 into 40 minus 33 minus 27. So 40 minus 33, what is, yes, very good. 40 minus 33, we will get 7. Now minus 33 minus 27, yes, minus 60, okay. Now we know 2 into 40, 2 into 40 is what? 80. So 80 minus 60, 80 minus 60, 20. So what we will get? Mode is equal to 3.5 plus 7 upon 20 into H. What is H? H is 3, correct? H is 3. So 3.5 plus 7 upon 80 minus 60 into 3. Okay. 7 into 3 is what? 21. So 21 upon 20. Correct? 21 upon 20 means mode is equal to 3.5 plus 21 upon 20. What is the next step now? Divide 21 by 20. Don't go for cross multiplication, because when you go cross multiplication again you have to divide. So better you divide here only. Okay? Is it clear? So divide 21 by 20. When you divide 21 by 2, when you divide 21 by 2, what you will get? Tell me fast. Yes. Now, yes. Now 10 is remaining. Correct? So what we're going to do next? Shift the point. So what you will get? Yes, very good. So let's see. So 3.5 plus 1.05, correct? Now add it. How you are going to add it? Yes, below point will be present. Means 3.5 plus 1.05. We will get, what we will get? 4.55. Okay, let's see. Mode is equal to 4.55. Is it clear? And then we have to write, therefore the mode of the volume of petrol filled is 4.55 liter. Is it clear? Last statement we have to write, compulsory. Okay, those who want good marks. Okay, yes, very good, booming. You have to add in this way. Point is there, below point should be present. Okay, very good. Okay, so I think everyone understood now. How to find the mode now you understood, especially how to find the mode. Correct na? All of you understood now, very simple it is. If the class is not continuous, we have to make the class continuous. First point we have to see in the table. Then second, once the class is continuous, we have to see that which is the maximum frequency. We got the maximum frequency, that will be F1, correct? Okay, so in the maximum frequency row, we will get model class, correct? So that will be the L. Above the model class maximum frequency, we will get F0, and below the maximum frequency, we will get F2. Okay, that is called as a preceding and succeeding. Okay, is it clear? So I think we have to move to our exercise 6.3. Okay, you are ready? Okay, let's start. Practice set 6.3. The following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on a milk collection center and the content of fat in the milk measured by lactometer. Find the mode of fat content. Is it clear? So, see the content of fat in the percentage: 2 to 3%, 3 to 4%, 4 to 5%, 5 to 6%, and 6 to 7%. Okay, we have to see the milk collected. Okay, that is the frequency. Milk collected is the frequency. Okay, so in the first class it is 30, the second 70, third 80, fourth 60, and fifth 20. Okay, and we have to see that this class is continuous. Okay, so we have to not make continuous class now because this class is already in a continuous mode. Okay, yes, this class is already in continuous. Okay, so we have not to make any new continuous class. Okay, now can you tell me what is the maximum frequency here? Yes, Bhumi, maximum frequency is 80. So it is called as F1. It is called as F1. What will be the model class? Model class. Yes, 4 to 5 is the model class. What is the lower limit of this model class? 4. Okay. F0. F0. 70. F2. F2 is 60. Very good. So all we are getting this information once we get the maximum frequency, and if the class is continuous, then it is very simple to identify F0 and F2. Okay. Now what is H? H. Yes, it is 1. Okay. So you can see here in the table 80 is F1, F1 is 80, F0 is 70, F2 is 60. F1 is the maximum frequency, that is 80. 4, 5 is the model class. Okay. So you understood how to find the model class. Okay. Now let's see. So the maximum class of frequency is 80. We know that the class corresponding to this frequency is 4 to 5. Okay. So the model class is 4 to 5. L is the lower limit of the model class, that is equal to 4. F is the frequency of F1 is the frequency of model class, which is 80. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, that is 70. F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, that is 60. H is the class size or class width. Okay. My voice is clear to you? Okay, good. So let's see how we are going to substitute in the formula. Okay, we have to substitute in the formula, correct na? So all of you remember this formula? Mode? Yes, very good. Yes, next student, fast, right? I am still waiting. I want the answer from the student. Right? Formula of mode. I want first formulae, then substitution. Without knowing the formula, you cannot substitute in that. Okay? Okay, let's see. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1, means 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, this is the formula, you have to remember it. Now substitute the value. We know L is what? 4. We know F1 80, F0 70. So 80 minus 70. What remains? Yes. 2 into 80. What is 2 into 80? 160. Correct. F0 70 minus 70. F2 minus 60. So 70 minus 60. Yes. Minus 130. Okay. So 160 minus 130. 160 minus 130. Okay. Let's see now. So mode is equal to 4 plus, you have to substitute the value 80 minus 70 upon 2 into 80 minus 70 minus 60 into 1. We know that H is equal to 1. So mode is equal to 4 plus 10 upon 30 into 1. Cancel 0, 0. So you will get 1 upon 3. 4 plus 1 upon 3 into 1. So divide 1 by 3. What you will get? 0.33. Now add with 4. So what you will get? Add with 4. 4.33 liter. So mode is what? 4.33 liter. Is it clear? Okay. We are going to move to the next question. Okay. Yes, at the end you have to write the mode of the fat content is 4.33%. Okay. Come to the question number 2. Electricity used by some families is shown in the following table. Find the mode for use of electricity. Is it clear? Okay. I think up to here everyone have understood. Very simple it is. But don't confuse between mean, median and mode. Okay. Mean, median and mode. Don't get confused. Because in that formula we have to see mean, median and mode. Let's see the second question. Electricity used by some families is shown in the table. The table which is given below. Find the mode for use of electricity. Okay. Use of electricity in unit 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100 and 100 to 120. So you can see here what you can see first, the class is continuous, correct? So you have to not make the class incontinuous because it is already present. Okay. Now, what we have to see next? Yes, we have to see maximum frequency. So what is the maximum frequency here? Yes, maximum frequency is 100. What is the model class now here? Model class, correct, 60 to 80. Now the maximum frequency is represented by F1. Very good. The maximum frequency is represented by F1. So what is F0? Yes. F2. Yes. Very good. So we know what is a model class. We know F1. We know F0. We know F2. And we know H. Can you tell me what is H? Yes. Very good. So let's see. So everyone giving the answer and it is correct. Up to here, everyone have given the correct answer. Not a single student have given wrong answer. Okay. This shows that you are concentrating in studies and you are practicing at home also. Okay. Keep it up. I hope that you will continue this study. Okay. So let's see. In the solution, the maximum class frequency is 100. The class corresponding to this frequency is 60 to 80, means model class. Therefore, the model class is 60 to 80. L is 60, that is the lower limit. F1 is 100, that is maximum frequency. F0 is 70. F0 is 70. You can see in the table also. F2 is 80, correct? F2 is 80. And at the end, H is what? 20. H is what? 20. Now we have to write the formula and then we have to put the values in that formula. Correct, Bhumi? Yes. So Bhumi have written the formula. Sanskriti also written. Neha also written the formula. I want some more student now. Write fast. We have to complete here, okay? Khushi, very good, Khushi. Khushi Shukla, very good, beta. Yes, yes, I want more student to write. If you know, then write the formula of mode. If you know, then write it. Because if you are sitting in the mobile also, then also you can write in chat box. If you are sitting on computer, then also you can write. Yes, Diksha. Very good. Next. Again, I want. Okay, let's see now. Many students have given the answer. Very good. Now we are going to see how to substitute in that. Okay. Okay. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. You can see in the slide. Okay. Now we know L, we know F1, we know L0. Correct? Now substitute it. So L is 60 plus F1 is 100 minus F0. F0 is 70. So 100 minus 70 is what? 30. Correct. Now 2 into 100. F1 is 100. So 2 into 100, 200 minus 70 minus 80. That is minus 150. So 200 minus 150. 50 into 20. Let's substitute now. Okay. Mode is equal to 60 plus 100 minus 70 upon 2 into 100 minus 70 minus 80. Okay, into 20. So mode is equal to 60 plus 30 upon 50 into 20. So 0, 0 will cancel. 3 upon 5 into 20. 3 upon 5. So what we'll get? 3 upon 5. Fast. Or yes. Or you can multiply 3 into 20 and then divide by 5. You can multiply 3 into 20 because 0 will cancel. Okay. So you can, yes. So that is 12. Okay. 60 plus 12. 60 plus 12. That is 72 families. Okay. So mode is what? 72 families. Very good. Very good. I think everyone have understood here, up to here. Yes, good.